Hello everyone, welcome back to Pharma Schooling YouTube channel. Your trusted combined therapy for mouth ulcer. Heraflora tablet. Heraflora tablet contain lactic acid bacillus 120 million spore, riboflavin 10 mg, folic acid 1.5 mg and niacinamide 50 mg. Lactic acid bacillus is capable of protecting from pathogenic invasion into intestinal tract. And riboflavin deficiency causes sore throat and the appearance of sores and cracks at the corner of the mouth or burning tongue. Niacinamide deficiency causes skin problem including dermatitis, skin lesion on the face, arm and hand, and inflamed skin. Folic acid reverse growth retardation, macrocytic anemia, glossitis, and gastrointestinal disorder. So prescribe Heraflora tablet. The indication of stomatitis, glossitis, chelosis, and pellagra. Also, doctor, an adjuvant with antidiarrheal and antibiotic therapy. We have Zn-Flora capsule. Zn-Flora capsule contains zinc sulfate 8.5 mg, lactic acid bacillus 100 into 10 mg, niacinamide 12 mg, folic acid 220 mg, vitamin B6 1.9 mg, vitamin B12 2.2 mg, biotin 30 microgram, and pantothenic acid 5 mg. Restore intestinal flora supplements, B complex vitamin repair, damage intestinal flora. Also available Zn-Flora dry syrup with the combination of zinc sulfate 10 mg, lactic acid bacillus 100 into 10, niacinamide 15 mg, folic acid 100 microgram, and vitamin B6 1.5 mg to normalize gut axis. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome back to Pharma Schooling YouTube channel. Doctor, in stiff neck, joint pain, low back pain, sprain and strain, arthritis and sport injury. We have power of 4x Dissolve 4x gel. Dissolve 4x gel contain diclofenac 4%, linseed oil 3%, menthol 5%, methyl salicylate 10%. Topical pain relieving gel with faster absorption and deeper penetration. Dissolve 4x gel available in 20 and 30 gram. 30 gram costing just 120 rupees. Doctor, diclofenac diethyl ammonium inhibit cyclooxygenase enzyme and reduce formation of PGE2. Ensure rapid relief from pain and inflammations. Also, doctor, linseed oil is predominantly contain essential fatty acid, that is linoleic acid, with help in reducing the level of highly inflammatory agent PGE2 in the skin. And methyl salicylate is locally acting analgesic, a time-tested anti-inflammatory agent. And menthol induces the sensation of coolness, enhance percutaneous penetration of diclofenac. Dissolve pain topically. Also, doctor, when pain and inflammation and edema trips in, Dissolve XP tablet. Dissolve XP tablet. Dissolve XP tablet contains trypsin and chymotrypsin 1.5 lakh international unit and aceclofenac 100 mg tablet. Doctor, trypsin and chymotrypsin decrease the inflammatory cytokinase, and aceclofenac provide effective analgesia in treatment of painful inflammatory disease. So doctor prescribed Dissolve XP tablet in fracture, dislocation, post-operative pain, traumatic wound injury for express healing. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome back to Pharma Schooling YouTube channel. Doctor, in resistant acne, we have Clary Acne Gel. Clary Acne Gel contains clarithromycin gel 1% weight by weight. Effective treatment of moderate to severe facial acne vulgaris. Bring back confidence. Also, doctor, we have Ultralight 4K cream. Ultralight 4K cream contains kojic acid dipalmitate 4%, tyrostat 1%, L-glutathione 1%,
vitamin C 1%, alpha arbutin 0.5%, vitamin E 0.5%, aluminum silicate 2% in 30-gram cream. Kojic acid dipalmitate is the natural skin lightener, and tyrostat is the skin whitener and depigmenter, and L-glutathione is protect from UVB rays. Tocopherol, that is vitamin E, control damage from free radicals, and vitamin C protect from UVB rays, and aluminum silicate is control damage from free radicals. Application is twice a daily, morning and evening. So doctor prescribe Ultralight 4K cream for ultimate 24/7 facial beauty. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Pharma Schooling YouTube channel. Doctor, to complete the control on day-to-day allergy with DSLRO 5 and 10 mg tablet. DSLRO 5 and 10 mg tablet contain desloratadine 5 mg and 10 mg. Desloratadine is an antihistamine that reduces the effect of natural chemical histamine in the body. It is also used to treat skin hives and itching in the people with skin reaction. Desloratadine may also be used for purpose not listed in the medication guide. Doctor, histamine can produce symptoms of sneezing, itching, watery eyes, and runny nose. So doctor prescribed DSLRO 5 mg 10 mg tablet in the indications of seasonal and allergic rhinitis, allergic dermatitis and urticaria, ocular allergy, watery eye sneezing for precise performance. Also doctor, a silence allergies once and for all. Available DSLRO M tablet. Doctor, DSLRO M tablet contain desloratadine 5 mg and montelukast 10 mg tablet. Doctor, desloratadine is the active metabolite of loratadine. It is a new generation antihistamine used in the treatment of allergic disorders, superior for alleviating both nasal and non-nasal symptoms of perennial allergic rhinitis. And Dr. Montelukast is the antagonize the pro-inflammatory and pro-stimulative activities, and can be used as first-line therapy for AR, allergic rhinitis, with comprehensive improvement of nasal and ocular symptoms and the quality of life in allergic rhinitis patient. So doctor prescribed DSLRO M tablet in asthma, chronic urticaria, allergic disorder, seasonal allergic rhinitis, perennial allergic rhinitis, or dual powered against allergy. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Pharma Schooling YouTube channel. Doctor, the oral cephalosporin with parental power. Doctor prescribed HHPOT 200 tablet. Doctor, HHPOT 200 tablet contains cefodoxime peroxidil 200 mg tablet. Doctor, HHPOT is a highly active against gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. It is the one of the most widely used cephalosporin. HHPOT is the stable to beta-lactamase degradation, it having the better tolerability. So doctor prescribed HHPOT 200 tablet in the indications of sinusitis, acute otitis media, pharyngitis, tonsillitis, urinary tract infection, skin and soft tissue infection to fix the infection conveniently. Also doctor, to enhance the activity of powerful antibacterial, it is also available Cephirase SB tablet. Dr. Cephirase SB tablet contains cefixime 200 mg plus sulbactam 150 mg tablet. Dr. Cefixime is the broad spectrum antibacterial and sulbactam make the cefixime beta lactamase stable. So doctor prescribes Cephirase SB tablet in the indication of typhoid, respiratory tract infection, urinary tract infection, ENT infection, nosocomial infection, switchover therapy. Cephirase SB, a skillful antibiotic. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome back to Pharma Schooling YouTube channel. Doctor, in urinary tract infection, doctor prescribed NF4 tablet. Doctor NF4 tablet contain nitrofurantoin 100 mg, SR tablet, sustained release tablet, a broad spectrum antimicrobial and antibacterial agent, an effective chemoprophylactic agent for patients with recurrent urinary tract infection, a reliable first-line agent for the empirical treatment of acute uncomplicated cystitis. Dr. NF4 tablet favorably with other standard agent for the therapy of acute and recurrent UTI. NF4 tablet is effective in the treatment of acute bacterial prostatitis or chronic bacterial prostatitis, prevent UTI and recurrence by. So doctor prescribed NF4 tablet in the case of acidification of urine, inhibition of bacterial flora, and avoidance of germ resistance. Also doctor, in urinary tract infection, also available NFO suspension. NFO suspension contains nitrofurantoin 25 mg each 5 ml suspension. So doctor, you can also prescribe NFO suspension in the indications of acidification of urine, inhibition of bacterial flora, avoidance of germ resistance in pediatric patient. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome back to Pharma Schooling YouTube channel. An assured winner over critical inflammatory condition, Heracort, for better and quick relief against critical inflammatory condition. Doctor prescribed Heracort tablet contains deflazacort 6 mg and 12 mg. Heracort is the corticosteroid with mainly glucocorticoid activity. Heracort improves cardiac function, prolongs walking, and eliminates the need for spinal surgery. Heracort exhibits greater anti-inflammatory potency than prednisolone. Heracort possesses anti-inflammatory and immunomodulator. So doctor prescribed Heracort tablet in the indications of systemic lupus erythematosus (SLE), asthma and airway disease, nephrotic syndrome, juvenile chronic arthritis, polymyalgia rheumatica, transplantation, and rheumatoid arthritis. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome back to Pharma Schooling YouTube channel. Doctor, to relieve agonizing pain without causing pain. Doctor prescribed Dissolve AQ injection. Doctor, Dissolve AQ contains diclofenac 75 mg 1 ml injection. Doctor, Dissolve AQ has analgesic and anti-inflammatory and antipyretic properties. Dissolve AQ is more effective than tramadol 50 mg IV in the prevention of post-operative pain. Doctor, Dissolve AQ has opioid-sparing effects and can be safely used in surgery without significant adverse effect. Dissolve AQ has a rapid onset of action which suggests additional clinical benefit which may improve the safety and efficacy of post-operative analgesia. So doctor prescribed Dissolve AQ injection, the most powerful, fast and safe anti-inflammatory analgesic. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome back to Pharma Schooling YouTube channel. In oral submucous fibrosis, trismus, doctor prescribed Imusol 150 tablet. Imusol 150 contains levamisole 150 mg. Doctor, levamisole is an immunomodulator which modifies both cellular and humoral immunity. This property has been made use of treatment of several oral mucosal lesions with successful result. Levamisole shows significant improvement in mouth opening, reduction in burning sensation, significant reduction of serum IgG, IgA, and IgM was seen in the levamisole group, and the doses of immusol 150 tablet 150 mg in divided 50 mg TDS for 3 consecutive days in a week for 3 alternate weeks. Doctor, also available immusol 50 mg tablet which contain levamisole 50, an immunomodulator solution. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome back to Pharma Schooling YouTube channel. Doctor in scabies prescribe Iverfast 3, 6 and 12 mg tablet. Iverfast contain 3, 6 and 12 mg tablet and 3 mg is dispersible tablet. Dr. Ivermectin, this medication is used to treat certain parasitic roundworm infections. Curing parasitic infections help to improve your quality of life. Iverfast is the drug of choice for pediculosis, crusted scabies, mixed intestinal helminthitis infection, and the doses of Iverfast is 200 mg per kg body weight. So doctor prescribe Iverfast, a fast-acting parasite killer. Also doctor, to make worm ineffective, prescribe Iverfast 3A, 6A, 12A tablet. Iverfast containing ivermectin 3, 6, 12 mg plus albendazole 400 mg syrup and tablet form. 3A is a suspension. Dr. Ivermectin and albendazole is US FDA and WHO approved single dose therapy for scabies, pediculosis and intestinal nematodes. Iverfast is a trusted molecule having synergistic efficacy cover entoparasites and endoparasites. Both are ovicidal, lavicidal and wormicidal. So Dr. Iverfast 3A, 6A, 12A is a double-agent fast-acting parasite killer. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome back to Pharma Schooling YouTube channel. Doctor in generalized anxiety and depression in GAD prescribe Melanzit tablet. Melanzit tablet contain flupentixol 0.5 mg. Melanzit tablet is antipsychotic neuroleptic drug. It possesses antidepressant activity. Melanzit relieves hallucination and Melanzit has no sedative action. So Dr. Flupentixol prevent relapse in the patient with schizophrenia, melt away anxiety. Also doctor to treat anxiety and its depression. Also prescribe Melanzit Plus tablet. Melanzit Plus tablet contain flupentixol 0.5 mg and meladressine 10 mg. The anxiolytic antidepressant tablet. Flupentixol in Melanzit Plus tablet blocks dopamine T1 and D2 receptor. Flupentixol produces calmness and responsiveness. It is a neuroleptic with anxiolytic and antidepressant. And meladressine in Melanzit Plus tablet, a bipolar thymoleptic with activating properties. It inhibits the reuptake of norepinephrine and serotonin. So doctor prescribe Melanzit Plus tablet in the indications of post-MI depression, cardiac neurosis, anxiety and depressive disorder, psychogenic depression. So doctor prescribe Melanzit Plus tablet
to melt away anxiety and its depression. Thank you.
Welcome back to Pharma Schooling YouTube channel. Doctor to settle allergy like nothing else. Doctor prescribed L-Mucus tablet. Dr. L-Mucus tablet containing levocetirizine 5 mg plus montelukast 10 mg plus ambroxol 75 mg. Sustained release bilayered tablet. Dr. Levocetirizine maintain relief of key symptoms of allergic rhinitis and improve quality of life in patient. Montelukast is effective and well tolerated preventive treatment for allergic rhinitis, and ambroxol is well established safety and efficacy in treatment of respiratory tract allergies. So doctor prescribed L-Mucus tablet in allergic rhinitis, seasonal prophylaxis in seasonal allergic rhinitis, symptoms of perennial allergic rhinitis. So doctor prescribed L-Mucus tablet to relieve allergy. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome back to Pharma Schooling YouTube channel. Let's start detailing for Cramprest and Cramprest Plus tablet. Doctor, hypoglycemia can lead to cardiovascular, neuromuscular and behavioral changes, including ventricular tachycardia, fibrillation, atrial fibrillation, weakness, confusion, ataxia, agitation, and tremors. So, doctor prescribed Cramprest tablet. Dr. Cramprest tablet contain magnesium bisglycinate 360 mg, the most bioavailable form of magnesium that is readily uptake into the bloodstream and able to support some of the vital reaction in our body. Dr. Cramprest tablet reducing cramp frequency and cramp pain, help in mineral metabolism and bone growth, facilitate intestinal absorption of calcium, stimulate absorption of phosphate and magnesium ion, help in physical mechanism of aura and migraine, immunosuppressive therapy, cyclosporine and tacrolimus, platinum, cisplatin or carboplatin based chemotherapy, targeted therapies, cetuximab, panitumumab. Doctor, in situations such as hypoglycemia, this is the safest and best option for correcting deficiency to arrest cramps. Also, doctor, available Cramprest Plus tablet. So to arrest the cramps, doctor prescribed Cramprest Plus tablet. Cramprest Plus tablet contain magnesium bisglycinate 360 mg, L-carnitine, L-tartrate 500 mg, vitamin E 400 mg. Dr. Magnesium bisglycinate promotes deep and restful sleep, helps to reduce muscle cramps, helps reduce stress and anxiety, supports bone and heart health, help elevate headache, increase energy level. And Dr. L-carnitine exerts neuroprotective, neurotrophic, antidepressive and analgesic effect in painful neuropathies, prevent IUGR and pregnancy related complications. Dr. L-tartrate helps transport long chain fatty acid to the mitochondria of the cell to be metabolized into energy. It enhances energy production and preserve lean muscles during training. Vitamin E prevent free radical damage, radiation from sun, relaxes nocturnal cramp, help maintain healthy heart and lipid, and delay aging process. Due to the calming and relaxing effect of both glycine and magnesium, this combination has been used successfully for chronic pain and muscle hypertone. So doctor prescribed Cramprest Plus tablet in muscles pain, spasm or twitches, in muscles weakness, nighttime leg cramps during pregnancy, also decrease the tolerance of exercise, restless leg syndrome, to arrest cramps without risk. Thank you.